Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very important and very easy, and it contains a wide variety of basic and easy to make hand embroidery design ideas. The whole video contains top trending, top class, easy and beautiful best hand embroidery toolkit, hand embroidery design, patterns, color combination and hand embroidery stitches for beginners. This video collection is an absolute broad view to the lovers of hand embroidery or to the persons who have just started to learn or to practice the art of hand embroidery, and they are looking for very beautiful designer style, amazing but less effort required hand embroidery patterns. So then no need to worry, this entire video collection is absolutely for you. But before going into the further details of the hand embroidery design patterns, that which type of thread, which type of embroidery tools and instruments are required, and for which purposes you can use these design ideas, I have a simple request to you that kindly, if you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the first time, then subscribe my channel right now, and while subscribing do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And kindly, if you like my video, don't forget to like and comment below this video so that I can get amazing and updated ideas of your choices, interests, and make a habit of watching my videos on daily basis. So now let's not extend our requesting services and my request to you, and let's move back towards our main motive, the details of these embroidery patterns. You can use these embroidery patterns for a wide variety of reasons. The scope is very large. That is, you can use it for designing making it as a hoop art, for making it for the designing of your dress designing like shirts, t-shirts, hand knitted materials like sweaters, cardigans, coats, gloves, and fashionable accessories like mobile covers, ladies bags, clutch purses, grocery bags, office bags, school bags, college bags, home decor ideas like pillow cover designing, bedsheet designing, bed set, quilt covers, onto your crochet blankets, cushion covers, onto your table cover, chair cover, kitchen accessories, pot covers, and much more according to your choice and preferences. You can also use these to make a hoop art or a wide massive collection of frame art for gift purposes to your loved ones, friends, for decorating the walls of your house, and much more. You can use wool for making these embroidery patterns, or anchor DMC threads, and different thin to thickness embroidery needles. So I hope that my today's video was helpful and amazing for you. Hope to see you soon back on my channel with a new video in a new content. Meet you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Up till then, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends and family.